We are on Cliffhanger here in Moab, and I am excited. This is one of my favorite trails, so it's gonna be a good day. And the sun just came out. We got downpoured on, and now we're getting this. I love it.
That was the trick to like getting it up there. More gas, more tire, and momentum. And then having Paul right there, you know, just to having that urge to make him proud.
Proud. Proud Papa. Proud Papa.
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 We're here with Nitto. We are doing Steel Bender, as you can probably hear, and we're working our way through this canyon. Beautiful morning after all the rain we've gotten the last couple days, and couldn't ask to be with a better group of people. Anybody that's uncomfortable, we can throw a winch line on them, make sure that they're good all the way down or whatever, but I just want to make sure I'm not pushing anybody beyond their comfort zone. Okay, I want to push on the comfort zone. I just don't want to push past the comfort zone.
Motor mounting isn't mounting.